guys, in this video we're gonna show you how we made these super cute side tables. We started by cutting the round circles. We had 3 of these, all made in maple wood. Then we routed the edges to give a more finished look. And then we ran our tops through our sander up to 120 grit. After that, we started building the bases. It's basically 3 pieces that we cut in angles and attached them with tight bone tree and fast tool dominoes. The dominoes go through the middle part of the base, and that was it. Once everything was sanded down, we attached the top and base with L brackets, stained with a color called Briarsmoke, sealed with a polyurethane water base. And our tables are ready for delivery. Look at these 3, they're so cute. They're called nesting round tables. So they go a little under each other, saving some space, but they create such a beautiful look in a living room. We hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching.